do you have a scenes with Mohan Babu sir?
Yes.
His dialogue delivery is fantastic, no?
My film, in fact, with all three Manchus and Ravina ma'am, I'm the only, I think, a character who has scenes throughout. Because I get Ravina ma'am and Mohan sir together. I am the culprit behind them. I make the brothers meet brothers. So everything, I am like the mediator between two people out here. So when Mohan sir, his dialogue delivery is
If you don't mind,
tremendous.
can you imitate him?
I cannot imitate him. I cannot.
His voice or something.
No, I cannot. That's not my thing. You can tell Manoj to do that, or Brahmanandam sir.
Yeah, can you please
Nah, me, no, not at all. I cannot do that. Well, his dialogue delivery was something, he's very confident. Even if he's saying his dialogue right now, he'll be very confident. And no one will come to know, he'll be like, Entra, my dialogue was wrong. Did you notice? I'm like, no, sir. He's like, one more. He's like, one more. That's what he does.
That's nice. Entertainment side, comedy side, like.
Comedy, we have so many people. Brahmanandam sir, Ali sir, we have Vanilla Kishore, and all the other guys also. Manoj himself. Yeah. For me, I have a problem. Once I start laughing, 15 minutes break compulsory. One other artist can sleep and come back. Because I keep laughing. And it's very difficult for me to not laugh when something is happening. And when Mohan sirs have to be serious, like, in one frame, I cannot keep laughing. I pinch myself and behind both brothers, I'm like, Hansu, don't laugh. Please don't laugh. And I'm like, no. Mohan's like, why are you laughing? And I'm like, sorry, sir, I'm not laughing. So,
a lot of fun.
a lot of fun. Actually, I'm sad the film is over, but I'm glad it's reaching out to the people.
Right. Other characters,
Well, there's one character of Tanish who doesn't speak but speaks. There's Kishore who's always speaking but he's paused. And there's Manoj who's really hyper. There's Vishnu who's this anger guy who's super angry, who's completely opposite his image. I've never seen him angry. It takes him a lot. It'll take him 16 hours to get angry only. He's like that. Entire day you make him sit, the 16th hour he'll be like, can you do my shot please? He'll go like that. Otherwise this guy will never ever open his mouth. And there's me. And there's Ravina ma'am. It was wonderful working with her. Mohan itself has a great sense of comedy. So yeah, Brahmanandam sir, oh my god, legendary. So yeah.
He's a god of comedy.
When he's there, he'll to make any faces, I'll start laughing. He's like, she's my daughter. I love her too much. No one will say anything to her. Hansuma, take care. He'll do something like that. And he'll be like, any problem? He'll walk past every time, any problem? And then, good, any problem? Call. I said, okay. So anything he does, even if he just touches his ear, I'll start laughing.
I'll ask you one straight question. What is the difference between Manoj and Vishnu? What you observed? Iddaru madhyalo enti? Iddaru elanti variation undi iddaru?
Manoj is very hyper. Manoj is very hyper and Vishnu is a little calm. He's calm. He'll be like, work. Manoj like, work, come on. We have to do work. Anna, work, Anna. And he'll be like, Manoj. And he's like, what Anna? They're two different people, but the bond between the brothers are unbelievable. Unbelievable. The best part about this film is like, Mohan says in between, Manoj is here, Vishnu is here, they're dancing, and even when something goes on, both brothers are there for the father. And when something happens to the brother, the father and the brother like this. There's so much love. Yeah, you learn so much. I mean, it's beautiful to see a family like this. Lakshmi comes and does a song, I guess, in the film. Yeah. It was not actually. Initially, it was not there in the script, and when I heard this, I was like, why is Lakshmi left out? Keep the fourth Manchu also, no? Yeah, they're like, no, we're figuring out that. And I recently came to know that she has one small bit in the movie. Yeah. I was like glad, and I think she's a tremendous actress too. So.
Yeah, actually, Telugu vallandaru eagerly wait chestunna film Pandavaru.
Tumida.
Because of a lot of casting undi, ilanti big stars andru act chestunaru. Long time. Anta big star casting unnatuvanti multi-starrer film. Telugu people ki raaledu, and this is the first time. Like, and one more thing, ee cinemalo sambandhinchi, is there any action episodes, bigger action episodes?
Like I said, both brothers, Manchu brothers, are very attracted and towards fight action sequence. You'll call them up also what you're doing, and I'm seeing an action movie. What are you doing? Seeing an action movie. There's only action movies both the brothers keep watching. So when it comes to, in fact, Manoj has choreographed few action sequences, and Vishnu obviously supervised it too. So you'll see the interval block. The interval block is choreographed by Manoj, and Sir does, Mohan Sir does fight too. So he has done wire work. So it's an all and out entertainer movie.
I'll ask you a few personal questions. What is your favorite food
My favorite food.
in Hyderabad?
I
Is it
think
a spicy or sweet food?
spicy. I'm not a sweet tooth. Can't afford to be a sweet tooth. Spicy food.
Spicy food. What is your favorite place in Hyderabad?
I stay in the hotel. I don't want to name the hotel, but that's the best place I can stay. And I think I overall like Hyderabad. I like the weather. I like the people here. It's a nice place.
What is your positive part and what is your negative thing in your mind?
My negative. I don't know what's my negative. I think you can ask people around me what's my negative.
I think this
Paul.
kind of thing.
No, it's for the character. I've never been like that. I've never pulled my sleeves up. Positive. I think I take everything in life as an experience. Even if I'm going through a worst phase of my life, I'll be like, good experience. It's okay. It'll be fine. That's why I say myself when I move on. There's nothing in my life I regret. Even if I'm in the ICU, probably, I'll be like, it's an experience. I'll be fine.
Well,
That's what I say. I take life in a very positive way. I'll never take it in a negative way.
yeah. Who's your best supporters in your family? Like
Mom,
Mom,
my mother, and my brother.
your brother. Okay. But నేను అబ్జర్వ్ చేసింది ఏంటంటే లాస్ట్ టైం దిస్ ఈస్ మై సెకండ్ ఇంటర్వ్యూ విత్ యూ యూ హ్యావ్ లాట్ ఆఫ్ ఎనర్జీ ద సేమ్ డే సేమ్ టైమ్ సేమ్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ హన్సిక ఇస్ దేర్ ఇన్ ఫ్రంట్ ఆఫ్ మీ
Like I said, sir, I'm a very positive person, and that is always going to stay with me. Because I believe if I am dull, you send out those same energies out, and then there's no fun in life. You also become dull. The vibes don't match. The frequency doesn't match. So probably that's why I'm like all hyper.
Your success is started దేనికైనా రెడీ సూపర్ హిట్ అయింది అండ్ దిస్ ఇస్ మళ్ళీ
This is definitely going to be doing good. I'll pray definitely. Pandavalu, Tumeda.
and thank you so much Hansika.
Thank you so much. Thank you.